good day. This is another problem, word problem about simultaneous systems of linear equation. And this is a problem taken from the textbook of Mateum 3, which is grade 9 in mathematics in Thailand. Okay, so let's review the problem. 160 cards were divided between two boys such that 1/3 of one boy's cards is half of the other. What is the difference between the number of their cards? Okay, so we need two equations again. So we have to derive equation from sentence number 1. So let's see. 160 cards were divided. So that is 160 cards were divided by two boys. So let's say the two boys, we have X and Y. So, or like say X is boy 1 and Y is boy 2. And then it said such that 1/3 of one's boy, so we have 1/3 of one boy's card. So let's say 1/3 of X, 1/3 of X is, this is equal sign, half of the other. So 1/2 of the other, this is Y. Okay, so as easy as this, we have already two equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the substitution method of solving linear equation. So if I am going to make X as the subject, so X is equal to 1/2 Y, okay, multiplied by 3/1 or 3. Yes, so that I have X is equal to 3Y/2. Now that I have the value for X, I can substitute this one to my equation number 1. So I would say, okay, 160 is equal to X, which is 3/2Y, okay, plus Y. And then 160 is equal to 3/2Y plus 2/2, that is 5/2. So 3 plus 2, because this is, say, 2/2. So 5/2Y. So I'm going to carry this over here. So Y is equal to 160. Okay. And then multiplied by 2/5. Okay, so Y is equal to 160 divided by 5, that is 5/3, and that is 15. You have 32. So 32 multiplied by 2, and that gives you Y is equal to 64. Okay, so boy Y has 64 cards. Let us see if how many cards for boy X. So we have 160 is equal to X, okay, plus your Y is 64, and then X is equal to 160, and your 64 is transposed to the other side, that is 64, so that X is equal to, this is 64, okay, so 96. Okay, and you have X is 96 and then Y is 64, but the problem is, what is the difference between the number of their cards? So we have 96 minus 64, okay, 64, and that would give you 2 and 32. That is the difference. So that is your final answer. Okay, so the difference between their cards is 96 minus 64. That gives us 32 cards. Okay, so that is a very easy way of solving systems of linear equation. The technique is, what you're going to do is, you have to go sentence by sentence. So for sentence number 1, we have created this equation. And sentence number 2, we have created this equation. So with the use of substitution method, we were able to find the value of x and the value of y. Though you can also use an elimination method wherein you put your x on one line and then y on another column is equal to a particular constant, and then eliminate one of the variables and then solve for y or x first. Okay, so see you in the next video, and mathematics is so easy. Okay, bye-bye.